Today na Monday, June 28, 2021, and this is the free and quality education program from the People's Network Media Empire. The broadcast from Kisiwood, we headquarters in Freetown. I actually down there now, they're ready for turn back at a date to be determined, but not too long from now. Hopefully, by God in grace, I go back in the States and we headquarters because we get important People's Network meeting. But first, we get one meeting Wednesday before that. But today in program, we want to talk about a few things. We go talk about the cyber crime bill we don't pass now. When they don't go pass in the parliament, and also the PAG sign them. We go talk about Andy. We go also talk about Mohamed Oman Bangura. We go work out to in people them and how they receive them. This is a great man. That's the youth minister, Honorable Mohamed Oman Bangura. But today we continue with him for preach against violence. We don't begin smelling at the SLPP. Like I've been telling you now, the dictionary book of APC gets witch, juju, demonic business, car-free business. You know what I mean, eh? Pantapla then get sonko, bos, carbante, contophily, you know. They own business all. Now, and okay, mix up, box up. But enough for business on SLPP. But we see the can small. That's nice enough we not go tolerate. And we go disown that kind of behavior, whether somebody big or small. So, we don't hear from people and we've been the 116. We been other side where they say violence. We're against that, the People's Network. So, I go talk to one of the big people in SLPP, like I've been promising now. That now the woman himself said the Iron Lady, that now Madam Fatmata Sawanewena, the leader of the SLPP woman. Well, actually, we don't ask her for introducing her, but I already don't do that. So, Lord, just listen as it get Bokuti for say
from concerns we want
we want to about SLPP and especially waiting they go on. So, Lord, listen.
National Women's Leader of SLPP. Good morning, Sierra Leoneans. In Sierra Leone, good morning, Sierra Leoneans all over the world.
Okay, so we can't talk about your own political business, but we get concerns about continuous violence among SLPP people, and among them people and the woman and the boku, where they involve themselves. Now they don't become so agitated for power, they're so aggressive, cause people they pull cutlass. For example, 116 recently, confusion commodity. So I want to get your views on this, Madam Fatmata Sawane, SLPP Women's Leader.
Okay, first of all, Attila, thank you very much for trying to locate me this morning and for saying I get this interview with you. As a politician, I don't need to be prepared. I'm always open to the public and the journalists entirely.
Thank you.
So definitely, I want to start first of all by saying I am part of the COVID institution where President set up, NACOVAC. And I want to say first of all this morning, COVID is real and this third wave is very, very serious. Let's Sierra Leoneans then take all the necessary measures and make them very, very be careful, especially with the women then. Now we know the mama then, now we know the wife then, now we know the pikin then, now we know the auntie then, now we know everything. Now we homestem. Some of we are the breadwinners.
Yeah.
We got to go out there for do a lot of things. But as we go, Lord, take the necessary precautions and Lord, very, very be careful and tread cautiously because this third wave is very, very serious and this disease really, really don't come now heavily and we really need for watch at time. Look at them as we go to churches, mosques, markets, at our base, ghettos, and everywhere. We really need to be careful and we really need to take the necessary measures. With those few words, I can now come to the politics. In the political arena, when we are in opposition, I can fully remember. Some of we, they can't beg we for take position. Some of we took up the challenge and agree. 80% of the people I see fighting today, honestly, I don't think 80% with them was with us when the struggle started, to be honest. Because the journey has been a long journey. For low get to also this today until it has been a long journey. We come with so much problems, issues and everything till we get where we are. But nevertheless, politics is about number. If you not been there today, you don't can now. And you will been there today. You will don't can now. You will get for calm now. I feel say it's not a do or die affairs. If you then a position until like you don't work well for your people there, then go elect you back. You know, yes. For worry.
Yes.
But if you don't work well, definitely you not say they get for change you. If they say that they change you not go say no by first time me for the day. You can't impose yourself on the people because now the people's mandate you get. You can only do one thing for plead with the people for vote for you, but you can't force them to vote for you because even when you impose yourself 1,000 times, they go to that box 1,000 times, Attila, they are going to vote against you. So why waste your time? So the point, like people tell me, they say, Famata, you're not a candidate. When they see a company, they contest with you, they go everywhere on election. I say, I don't need to go anywhere. I don't need for put any candidate. I am a toe and flow SLPP. I'm not common other particular SLPP. Now they are born on me inheritance. So therefore, let them do the election. Let them don't do. I go campaign to the people. I know one thing: the one that in a position, the one that get for camo, the one that be don't camo. They know who done a Fatima Tasana and SLPP. What I don't do. So I know they go for go split me party or divide them because by putting a candidate or by saying I belong to this camp, you are dividing the party. So what me go admonish every member of the SLPP, let we all day together and look at SLPP as the bigger picture. Who we want to vote for is a secondary issue.
So I said pick and forth because the points I make, I remember President Bill said the same thing. Now Kaila say, you know, why will not go exchange ideas? Who say person go say, but me your idea better pass you. And I think say they put me inside and for this reason and for that reason, you know, when I exchange words, but the two of they see now in SLPP kind of look like APC small.
Now I use the word say. Attila, it's not a do or die affairs. You will be done camo, you will learn for camo, you will be done catchadeo. Please, please, please. This is not just a family contest. There is no loser. Like for example, I sitting here, I'm contesting with my two sisters. And both of them have worked under me. But if they think they can challenge me, why not? It's democracy. Can I say no to them? The answer is no. That is trampling on their rights. So then they contest. Famata Bintu Bokari, she's my current deputy women's leader. She's contesting. Hawa Fore, she's a constituency women's leader in Kenema. She's contesting. That's not a young political right as individuals. What is my own right is to tell the people what I have done, what I want to come and do, and what I'm going to do. And to the best of my ability, I think I've served Sierra Leone very well and SLPP very well.
Yeah, you don't say that SLPP. At that point, you don't say SLPP from where we know. You always don't tin up the NSLPP. I think we tell me in America, they don't lock you up, they don't do every kind of thing. You don't lose a border. Your papa said they face harassment. So now kind of a family issue on a relationship with SLPP. Well, the point is where me they get from is that not like you they against people like we don't go we come back or even people will just come. The point is that like when first said they say one thing, they say, but if you come, you want to be part of this party. If people are not unbog you, you not unbog the party by the kind of thing what they do right now.
And that is what I think. You don't need for unbog anybody. Nobody no need for unbog you. Go campaign quiet and talk. First not get for make you win election. For two person not get for make you win election. When you talk out last night, they make you win. And even if you lay the body, when people they don't change their mind, they don't change their attitude. You can get all the money, they not still vote for you. You can do every kind of thing, they not vote for you. Politics is about the people. Go out there, talk to the people that you need their support.
Why this desperation? What is this desperation?
I don't know. I think the desperation for me, SLPP is now attractive. We are making it very attractive for some of what we did they do in opposition. We don't make it too attractive that only then at table now all man one leak. But in that process, I think say people need to be careful about what they do and what they do not do. Because like they say, it is not a do or die affairs. We are a family. I call it a family contest.
Yeah, because the slogan of
it's a family contest. One country, one people. It is a family contest. I don't have enemy anywhere in Sierra Leone, talk less of in the SLPP. Everybody is my brother and sister. We disagree.
You don't see this kind of thing before in SLPP on a night.
I don't want to see on my first time. And
say not see somebody.
I'm shocked and I'm worried. And even some people they say, not to me, but some people are alleging that they don't go take other members from other party they can't do their havoc here. Because this is not like SLPP and this can never be SLPP.
So you're not the leader there. You're not a national leader for women there. We're not go stamp this out, this kind of reckless indiscipline what is all over the country.
Me, I don't stamp out. I was going around recently. I have done the south, the east, the north, the west. I have told everyone that needs to know that please let them stay out of violence. Let them support which candidate they want to support in a quiet manner and in a decent manner. And please, for the women at the big, una not cost una self, una not pull una self down, una support una one for support quietly, and una stand by waiting una stand for, and also know the one that waited not be better not be there yesterday, wait there with una, and we stand by this party.
But this country, they do so, you know, things say, because me don't listen president every now and then, they preach non-violence, they tell people, they say, you don't want to see violence at the party, you don't appreciate that, you don't want that. So some people they say the point where he make account is that this might be some way some people they take for sabotage the president, because the president say no one violence, they eat it in a position, or you're not posted in a position, how many people they still promote violence. That means that the president they go against.
Of course, yes. And for me, the president not just talk down in a public. He has been doing it for long, no say mean business. So what me they say, leadership now for follow suit by good example. President Bio always he talk Attila Mina in and outside the SLPP, what they talk now public, what they do inside, a follow in actions with in words. And I first say people then for learn a lot from them. But you see, when they see this violence and hala, for example, I just want to give a simple scenario. Those who love SLPP the most are sitting down quietly. All man know I love SLPP. Me, the way I like SLPP, I'm not able to see anything evil self the near and to SLPP or they associate themselves. Have you ever gone to any place where you're listening? For matters are not candidates to a campaign this election, I don't even go there. You know why I not go? Because I not go talk to this candidate A, candidate B say, you know like me. Now may not talk to me, which will not be the case. So I'll be misled. So I only go to elections whereby all other national officers who are colleagues are going. Okay. We go together.
Okay.
And since this election starts, one day she might not tell me say go do election any side. If tell me say go do Northwest. We went together, we did Northwest. That not the regional, not to even at lower level. We came back together. Full stop. I know they go any side where they not give me mandates for go. I know they call anybody. And SLPP is one country, one people. Everybody is equal to me. Whosoever win, I they go campaign. Whosoever win, I they work with them. Whosoever win, I believe say I they work with them because I believe in myself. Say I will win back for second time, not by my power but by the grace of God. I have done my best. I have worked for the SLPP and I will continue doing.
You don't go far back with it. Tell me your history with the SLPP.
My history too much. Attila, I'm not going
to talk
about them. Well, I was born and brought up in a SLPP home, but where my parents defend themselves, not to a place where they be able to play politics freely. So they were McKinney and Connor, so they were intimidated somehow. But at the end of the day, me don't grab now. The world is now modernized, and I have the right to play free politics, and I know where my people belong. So
you probably be afraid?
He be afraid because they be intimidate him too much, and he got to prison. He had so much issues, and he was.
What did you do them when they put in jail?
Well, first of all, like I remember there was one election where him they explained to me those days. Nakono, we began one man who had been born, Kaibufa, will be the contest with PC Bomo, both for APC and the SLPP, and they were intimidated so much by standing by the SLPP candidates. Those were the times where they send them truck and say go arrest them.
The APC?
Yes, they go arrest them. Sheikh Stephen tell them go arrest them, can't lock them. All that stuff that they. So he was always telling us the story. And one day for me, I was bold enough for ask and say, Pausa, you belong. They say I'm SLPP too and flow, even from my parents. So I find out say from the great grandpapa, then that's what they choose. And I know they choose the best because trust me.
So you don't grow up inside the SLP family. You also get a very sad story about a brother who be lost.
That's a story where no one forever be reminded of.
Okay.
But I take it that way because may his soul rest in peace. He fights for the SLPP. He laid his life for it and he was killed in the process.
So now you don't suffer so much for this party. Looking at the family history, Papa, APC don't jail him. Many times they intimidate him. When I get for the move place to place just from ensure that a care for one at the beginning when I safe. I mean, you still, what keeps you going inside the SLPP still? After all this, you still in at the SLPP?
Love and conviction. I'm convinced with the SLPP doctrine, it is the best and they are good for Sierra Leone.
And now we get a president we understand you don't begin support from McKinney Convention.
I will always support President Bio because he never disappointed me. I made the right decision by supporting him, standing out for him, and laying my life for him. And I will do so anytime the situation repeats itself because I believe in him and he has never disappointed me.
I think I
just look within these 3 years, waiting that man down.
Oh yeah, Boku, of course.
So me, I'm not going to cut myself. So definitely, My labor did not go in vain. I'm proud Sierra Leonean to say I
Even the local
supported.
you're looking at Paremba,
I am proud to say I went through that process to get where I am today, to get the president I have today in power.
now looking forward, how you see SLP for the next under President Bill this week party for the next 7-8 years? Because we know say go win second term.
You don't
I'm
know?
looking beyond.
Attila, I see Sierra Leone get for look like a paradise. Let people just patient small. All the issues will be handled. We get a president with a listening president. He listens to us, he listens to the problem. And in the first solution, and he don't tell all man say, I know one solution will go last temporarily, and why everlasting solution. Like later Basam go say, my late PRO and one of my mentors, La refer to I say, then they said they make road na cosmetic road. President Bill no want do anything cosmetic, he want do everlasting. Let people they just patient small. We'll get to where we are supposed to get to. And as a nation today, we'll be proud when you travel now other countries. You said they see where they left America can. Maybe I can go now the African country now. Sierra Leone, come this way. You the sister, you they feel proud like before when they travel, know how they go through, what in our position and whatever. So therefore, Sierra Leone is getting at the map, and I know we'll get to a higher heights more than this.
Final message for the people in our salon. And by the way, so you don't tell me say it's not back. You believe you go win, right?
By the grace of God, I have conviction that I will win.
You sure?
150%.
Well, give people a final message, Madam Fatma Sane, SLP Women's Leader.
My final message is that please, I'm begging the women of SLP to stay out of trouble, not go argue or fight for any politician, not do anything, please. Just try for them that you only to come and support who they support and do what you convince how to do best and what you know how to do best. And to the women of Sierra Leone, please, promotion, hala hala, sonko sonko, not the best way for solve problem. Let's look at a way for solving the problem. And we the women, the law be mama, auntie, their friends and everything for mediate within them mania and bring and peace. Slow will not be part of the problem. And I will leave you with a quote that says, dream with an ambition and lead with conviction.
That na Fatmata Sawane, the SLPP Women's Leader, be the talk to me. Me coordinator Abbas do ministry. Abbas, what do you think about all the women's leaders say?
Yeah, Marshall. You know, I'm so pleased for hearing from the women's leader of the Sierra Leone People's Party. But I'm not surprised. This woman, I'm not saying a woman who believe in His Excellency the President, retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bawumia Bio, and believe in the ideology of the president. See the love when the woman talk, you sense the love in the woman in voice for the party. You know, if we all love this party, I believe say we all go take the advice of this humble woman, this strong woman of the SLPP, and follow suit. Then we party will not go there for this problem. What they pursue.
And waiting the 1 point I can make some people it's enough. Oh, love the president, who love SLPP. You know, say the post where they lead the party no like this thing, but you say you love them, but you did one. You go fet when I put cutlass. Then when I say we love President Bio, we love SLPP, we die. Is that how you die for your party? By trying to injure or kill somebody who inside belong at the same party with you? Then you say if that man there you wound that damage, I didn't hospital. Now one vote don't shot too. Or if you discourage them, now one vote don't shot. Abbas.
Yeah, Marshall. Always he talks so not true. You understand? People then say they love the president. When you love the president, you for do waiting the president wants for me you do. You know, I like the way the women's leader talk. Say, you know, this not a do or die. It's in a family contest. I believe say we all for fight this contest in peace. Now battle of ideas, not for faith. Nobody not to lose her. You know, the woman talks so eloquently. You know, I said bravo to Madam Fatmata Sawane, but me I don't go surprised because this is a woman where I know say he love the SLP and they always stand for the SLP. Do ya? If you don't in a position, now God in position permanent, and you only aspire with humility. You understand? Nobody no get permanent position at this world. Only God in position permanent. Do you have to listen to the advice of this women's leader of the SLP, the great Fatmata Sawane?
Look at to excuse me, one thing we happen when a momentous thing then 2 days here. That now the cyber crime bill with them pass. Abbas, no lie, I take 1 glass or 2 for celebrate. You know, because I think say this particular bill where they don't pass through, it don't make some money quick na them boot. Especially the one the way illiterate and ignorant and not get no easy for the people they do. I think say themselves don't get the warning shot now. Say this time around, if you mistake, you inside the law.
Yeah, Marshall, thank you so much. Now, just happy where the Honorable Minister of Information, through his own efforts, in no little ways, he pursued this thing, he consult, talk with everybody across the board, and finally, the bill has been passed. They wait for presidential assent. You know what I talk? Salon today, no go be like Salon yesterday. The world don't move. If people then feel say, then go use threats because a lot to happen before. The world don't move over here, Marshall. Yeah, the world don't move. So if people then feel say that dark days politics of yesteryears, then go use them in this modern day. Thank God the cyber bill don't pass. We just wait for me the president append his signature to them and not say this country is a different country.
But just imagine some of them miscreants there where they talk their nonsense for kill people, for burn people there, for burn those, burn CID. The America out and they talk anything like that na social media. Talk like that. Say make them go do this. You go see what will happen to you. Threaten the American government. You go see if they go just let you and laugh to you. Do na Holland or do na England or do na Greece suicidal Emmanuel refugee day. One day they will not go know whether they go just laugh to you no more and left you. But you see, they don't do it for long now. So we tell God thank you, God Oswai. Don't really put a stop in the people through the president's inspiration and guidance. They don't put a stop now to this rubbish. Now we know say when you go talk say for threat imposture, you go begin put somebody I not supposed for day na internet or na social media because it's do now you want to get freedom of speech. The person you not get no right. We know say now the law go get at you, and I can't wait for the first or two idiot the way them go hold for putting a pardon barrel for them behavior there.
Yeah, Marshall, me, the way I'm glad for this bill, during the campaign, this president will get, yeah, Marshall, because you know this man. You're not a media man, you don't have the media for long, and you're a man with so many awards. So the political landscape was here, you don't like Pam. I make her appreciate working with you. This man, now, man, when they talk, say, all allegations they make against him. During the opposition, they all. He said, if anybody get any truth, any evidence, may them bring it. He go retire from politics. He challenge people that while today in opposition, they never bring anything forth. Today the man is the president of the nation. Then they still there and media, they win there and media with them. They discuss all kind of costs against this president. Me say this cyber bill, I'm glad you. Me I know say some man go to a different place if you want to challenge the authority of this bill. Because I know say Salon is a democratic country and a country of law.
You will get forum. Let me make this clear. You will get forum. You encourage rubbish message. You send out to person the threat in life. Once you take and you will get the form we create and a number of the pen. Now you the report. Or the nearest person waiting at that forum, the latter on this one thing, yeah? So when I get down the class, so one other idiots they can call me the same message and to me why reply they talk about zero tolerance cyber. Now I say zero tolerance, you don't know what they talk about because zero tolerance don't cost nobody. First of all, one day we're not interested in that kind of behavior. But finally one for tell Mohammed Oman Bangura, the Minister of Football, thank you. Go work out to people and receive a rousing welcome. You see when man go to people that's what it always be.
Yeah, Marshall, I say thank you to Mohammed Oman Bangura. This na a man we don't prove a metal na the political scene, a young man, you understand? And the stakeholders of the Tonkolili district. Now this we talk about. You understand? Tonkolili district. Like how I can say America would one flip him in the next election. One flip Tonkolili. So kudos to Mohammed Bangura.
Yes.
You get your young brother Ameshebu Kanu.
Yeah, we go flip him because just like how Biden do na Arizona, like how he do na Georgia. He flip all. Then beat Trump, they now so go for beats there. APC they will not get sense because then beaucoup the APC most of them not get sense. Then brain empty, very empty, ignorant, and very very empty. Then senseless way they behave. I for tell man thank you for listening to the program. Because APC na vexation to the spirit. Anytime person they talk about the you had the one. So like just stop here. Lachlan Sankpade our producer. Abdurrahim now with technical man, editor. Today na Commissioner Vani na me Abbas co-host this program. Me na Mustafa Pabayatila. They say love, one country, one people, one country. Steady Bongo say SLPP the only way out of the mess where APC put Salon Pan for 35 years. SLPP just for 14 years when I count, just 14 years SLPP don't really be in power. 14 years have made a whole lot of difference. I'm for thank you all and God bless you now. I'll talk to you very soon. People say let's all get meeting on Wednesday. When I don't forget to